Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1983 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, $6,500, Somerset, Wisconsin. First up is a 1983 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, powered by the iconic shovel head engine. This FXSB model shows about 47,500 miles and is described by the seller as being exceptionally clean, possibly one of the nicest examples you might find for its age. The Low Rider became one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable factory customs during the late 1970s and early 1980s. The bike features a dual belt drive setup and an S&S carburetor, while the rest of the motorcycle remains largely stock. The seller recently replaced the starter, solenoid, battery, and relay. Aside from a few rub marks on the belt guard, the bike is said to present extremely well. Number 2. 1973 Suzuki GT750, $9,750, River Forest, Illinois. Next is a 1973 Suzuki GT750, the legendary liquid-cooled two-stroke triple, often nicknamed the Water Buffalo. This model was one of the first mass-produced liquid-cooled motorcycles and quickly became known for its smooth power delivery and unique character. This particular example reportedly shows only around 1,907 miles, making it an extremely low-mileage motorcycle for its age. The bike has been restored, and the seller says it runs and drives excellent, making it an appealing option for collectors of classic Japanese two-stroke machines. Number 3. 1973 Triumph TR500 Trophy Trail, $3,200, Brooklyn, Wisconsin. Next up is a 1973 Triumph TR500 Trophy Trail, a relatively uncommon model designed as a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle. These bikes combine Triumph's single-cylinder engine with off-road capability, making them popular among trail riders in the early 1970s. The seller purchased this example in 2021 as a winter project and was told it had not been ridden since the 1980s. Much of the work focused on reviving the bike after long-term storage, including carburetor rebuilding, replacing seals and gaskets, and refreshing several electrical components. Number 4. 1968 Honda CL450, $2,700, Andover, Minnesota. Next is a 1968 Honda CL450, one of the early examples of Honda's popular scrambler-style twin from the late 1960s. This bike shows around 18,000 miles and comes with a clean title in the seller's name along with classic license plates. The seller says the motorcycle runs, rides, and stops, although it does have a few issues, including broken cooling fins on the cylinder head and a stripped kickstarter. The electric start still works well, and several original parts are included for anyone considering a full restoration. Number 5. 1958 Steib TR500 Sidecar, $6,500, Glen Ellen, Illinois. Next is a 1958 Steib TR500 sidecar, a well-known German-made sidecar originally designed to pair with BMW motorcycles from the 1950s and early 1960s. Steib sidecars are highly regarded for their craftsmanship and classic styling. The seller notes that only the sidecar is for sale, not the motorcycle it is currently attached to. It is described as being in excellent original condition and features a hydraulic brake that operates from the bike's rear brake pedal. The seller will also assist with detaching it when it sells. Number 6. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $1,500, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Next is a 1977 Yamaha XS650, one of Yamaha's most popular twin-cylinder motorcycles from the 1970s. Known for its strong torque and simple mechanical design, the XS650 became a favorite platform for both everyday riders and custom builders. This example shows about 19,843 miles and comes with a vintage title. The seller notes that the bike has new brakes and the tires are still in good condition. It does need a carburetor tune-up, but it also comes with extra parts that could help with getting it fully sorted. Number 7. 1966 Vespa SS180, $8,500, Chicago, Illinois. Next up is a 1966 Vespa SS180 Supersport, one of the most desirable classic Vespas produced during the 1960s. This particular example features a Grimstad 200cc conversion and reportedly shows just 682 miles. The scooter was restored by a previous owner and features several cosmetic upgrades, including chromed engine tinware, polished hubs, and new chrome wheels with fresh tires and tubes. The paint is from an older restoration but still presents nicely, and the seller says the scooter starts easily and rides very well. Number 8. 1974 Kawasaki KZ400, $1,000, Dallas, Texas. Next is a 1974 Kawasaki KZ400, a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that helped establish Kawasaki's reputation in the middleweight class during the 1970s. This particular bike shows about 84,000 miles and is finished in green. The motorcycle is currently in storage condition with the chain removed and the fuel tank drained, so the carburetors will likely need cleaning before riding. The seller notes that the tank is rust-free and includes a large collection of extra parts with the sale. Number 9. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $9,875, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Next is a 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. This example was reportedly restored from the frame up in 2020 and features matching numbers on both the frame and engine. According to the seller, the bike typically starts with just 1 or 2 kicks and runs very well. It shifts smoothly and has minimal oil leakage, which is often a concern on older British twins. Number 10. 1977 Honda CB750 4K, $4,000, Louisville, Kentucky. Next is a 1977 Honda CB750 4K, part of the legendary CB750 lineup that helped define the modern superbike era in the late 1960s and 1970s. This example is described as a beautiful, ready-to-ride classic. The seller recently performed several maintenance items, including ultrasonic carburetor cleaning, new tires, fresh oil and filter, new fork seals, and a front brake kit. The bike remains largely original and comes with a clean Kentucky title ready for transfer. Number 11. 1979 Vespa 50 Special, $2,400, Edwardsville, Illinois. Next is a 1979 Vespa 50 Special, a small displacement Italian scooter that became very popular for its lightweight design and simple mechanics. Models like this were widely used for city transportation thanks to their compact size and excellent fuel economy. The seller says the scooter runs well and remains in pretty good shape for its age. Like most classic Vespas, the clutch and shifter are located on the left handlebar, giving it that distinctive manual scooter riding experience. Number 12. 1982 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, South Haven, Mississippi. Next up is a 1982 Yamaha XS650 that has been modified with performance upgrades and custom components. The XS650 platform has long been a favorite among builders thanks to its durable parallel twin engine and strong aftermarket support. This example features a 750cc big bore kit along with new mechanical carburetors from Mike's XS. The bike also uses a TT500 front end and has been set up for dual sport style riding, with the seller noting that it has fewer than 700 miles since the build was completed. Number 13. 1984 Honda Goldwing GL1200, $3,400, Woodward, Oklahoma. Next is a 1984 Honda Goldwing GL1200 that has been turned into a custom build. The Goldwing series is well known for its smooth flat-four engine and long-distance touring comfort. This bike features custom paint, a modified seat, stainless steel brake lines, and custom handlebars. The seller also notes that the motorcycle has relatively low mileage at around 22,000 miles and comes with a clean title. Number 14. 1970 BSA Victor Special 441, $5,500, Wichita, Kansas. Next is a 1970 BSA Victor Special 441, a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle known for its lightweight performance and distinctive off-road styling. This example was reportedly restored in 2022 and shows about 4,814 original miles. The seller converted the bike to electronic ignition and upgraded the carburetor to an AMOL 930 Premier. These updates help improve reliability and starting, and the seller notes that the bike usually fires up within 1 or 2 kicks. Number 15. 1981 Suzuki GS650, $800, Ottumwa, Iowa. Rounding out the list is a 1981 Suzuki GS650, an affordable classic Japanese 4-cylinder motorcycle. Bikes from the GS series became popular during the early 1980s for their solid performance and dependable engines. The seller says the bike is currently running and riding, although it does not come with a title. It also includes an extra seat and is priced at just $800 or best offer, making it one of the most affordable motorcycles on this list. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds every day.